Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Clinical SAS. So today we are going to discuss about array in SAS. Let's begin. So in SAS we can see three different types of arrays in SAS. Okay. So first of all, what is the array in SAS? So array is not a variable and it's not stored any output dataset. So what is array means? It's just a temporary shortcut pointer inside the data step. So whatever this array statement is there, right? Everything we will write in data step. So this used to process multiple variables at once. If you want to do anything for multiple variables, this array will use. It helps you process multiple variables within one line of code instead of repeating if then or assignment statement many times. Okay, so here array three types we can see. One is one dimensional array, two dimensional array, and multi-dimensional array. So for one dimensional array, we will write array a comma bracket in 5. Here A is the array name. So here we mentioned is only 5. Here 5 is the length of the variable. So here 5 means in 5 elements. So usually in SAS, clinical SAS, regularly will use one dimensional array. And two dimensional array we will write in this like array a comma 2 comma 3. That means two rows, three columns. Okay, it's very like how it will be like matrix. Okay, like two rows, three columns. Like this way it will be there. Like that is two dimensional array. Multi-dimensional means it will come like array a comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Usually will not use, very rare case only will use. So here one dimensional array in SAS. So this is the data set which containing all numeric data set. Okay. So here you can see the some missing numeric values. So I want to replace with zeros. So for a replace for missing values we can write by using if else statement also. So if the same thing if you want to do in by using arrays, we have to write like this: data subject underscore bp1 set subject bp1 array. This is the statement. Okay, apple. This is the array name. So once you writing array, after that we have to write the array name. Here in bracket, this is the 6. 6 means length of the variable. How many variables is there from here? SB1 to SB6, 6, right? That is the length of array. Okay, so array apple in the bracket the length of the variables like SB1, SB2, 6. So then do I is equal to 1 to 6. I is equal to 1 to 6. If apple if apple I equal to missing, then apple I is equal to 0. Then we already used do right, so we have to keep end. Then run. If we do no, then it will replace the missing values by 0. Okay. So if you want instead of 0, if you want to write like any average values or like mean values, also we can write like this. So data subject underscore bp4 set bp underscore bp array apple this and all common like 6 sb1 by 2 sbp6. Do I is equal to 1 to 6. If apple I is equal to missing, then apple I is equal to mean of SB1 to SBP6, then end. So here we'll get wherever missing value is right, that mean value will get here. The same code we can write like this also. Like So here we can create separate variable average is equal to mean of SPBP. The same code, whatever we written right, like this mean of, instead of that directly we can allocate the variable like average variable. In this way also we can write. For that also we can use array statement. So here you can see everything here same data subject underscore BP2 set subject BP array apple. Here star we mentioned, right? Star underscore numeric. Here what is that, right? If you write underscore numeric, no need to write the variable. Here sequence is there, right? Like SBP1 1 2 3, like so we can write directly SBP1 2 to SBP6. Some case SBP1 or SBP or some other numeric variable will be there. In that case, if you write underscore numeric, right, it will automatically read underscore all numeric data and all it will read. Okay, so no need to write specific variables here. If you write underscore numeric underscore means it will read the all the numeric data. So for that array apple, here star, before we mentioned the length of the variable. So here we mentioned star. Why? Because we are writing underscore numeric. Star do I is equal to 1 to dim of apple. But here we not use the any statement, right? So here two statements we can see. Compared to here we can see two. One is star, one is dim. Why? Because we written underscore numeric. Then remain everything same. If apple is equal to missing, then apple I equal to 0. In the same case, if in case this will be like character data means we will write underscore character underscore. For numeric data, we will write underscore numeric underscore do I is equal to 1, I is equal to 1 to dim of apple. Okay. If character means same, do x is equal to I 1 to, sorry, 1 to dim of orange. Here array name. So here also array name. So when you use underscore numeric underscore also same star dim. For character also star dim. Okay, remaining everything same. So before we discussed for replacing missing values by using array, right, for numeric data. So here we can see how the replace the for character data. So here we can see that VS data containing all character variables with missing values. Okay. So if character data missing values is the means how we write for array statement. So for that we have to write like data trials input to data set name set VS. So array orange the length of the variables. So here we are mentioning dollar symbol. Why? Because this character data, that variable all are character format, right? So that's why we are mentioning dollar symbol. If in case this is numeric data means we no need to mention the dollar symbol. Then remaining coding everything same. Do I is equal to 1 to 4. If orange I is equal to missing, then orange I is equal to placebo. So we have to we have started to write. We have to keep the end. Here we have to we'll get to the I variable by default, right? So for that we are kept drop I. So same code if you want to use underscore character underscore means we have to write in this way. Data set name, that input data set name array. So here are orange. We can give any name like no need to give any name we can give. No need to like fruits or like that. We can write like lab or something. Array name we can write that should be 8 characters. Okay, the array name max. Then do x is equal to 1 to dim of orange. If orange x is equal to missing, then orange x is equal to plus po end. Okay, then drop I comma x. So here also I variable will be there, right? So we can keep the drop. Thank you.